why people do affiliate marketing, let me jump into some reasons as to why that might be. For those of you that don't know, my name is Amber and I am the passive income mama, and I help parents leave their 9-to-5 nightmares through earning an income online. If that interests you at all, please go ahead and hit the subscribe button as well as the notification bell. That way when I post new videos, you will get notified of them. So what is affiliate marketing? Affiliate marketing is a way to earn money online by promoting other people's products and services and earning a commission when purchases are made through your unique affiliate link. It's like being the middleman between the seller and the customer. You earn a percentage of the sales that come in as a commission. As for the earning potential, affiliate marketing can be a very lucrative business model if it's done correctly. While it's not guaranteed, just like any other profession, success in affiliate marketing takes time, effort, and perseverance. So it's super important that you set realistic expectations and be willing to put in the work to build your affiliate marketing business. With the right mindset and strategies and coach, it's possible to achieve financial success and earn a substantial income through affiliate marketing. So if you're interested in getting started, there are plenty of online resources and courses available to help you learn the rope and get on your path to success, like this channel. I hope this helps. If you have any other questions, let me know in the comments below. Hot diggity. Wink, wink. If you know, you know. Just kidding. Yeah, about affiliate marketing. Questions or likes, dislikes, subscribers, all that jazz. That's about enough of that.